आज यहाँ 7th क्लास के बच्चों के द्वारा एक साइंस की एक्टिविटी कराई जा रही है, जिसके माध्यम से बताया जा रहा है कि किसान अपने फसल को कैसे लगाते हैं एवं उनका रख रखाव, उसमें बीज डालने का तरीका, उनकी जुताई का तरीका, सारे तरीकों को हम एक एक एक्टिविटी के माध्यम से देखेंगे कि किसान शुरू से अंत तक अपने फसल को की रक्षा कैसे करते हैं, अपने घर तक फसल को सुरक्षित कैसे लाते हैं। तो पहला हमारा प्रोसेस होगा प्लॉइंग, जिसमें किसान अपने खेत को जोतेंगे। आइए इस एक्टिविटी को देखते हैं।
Good morning to all of you present here, all our respected principals, our teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Arav Raj from class 7. My school name is SS Vidyapit Prep School. I share some lines about flooring. Flooring is the first step taken by the farmer away from the sleeping soil. Flooring softens and it prepares it for brings a new life to the earth. It helps for the absorb water and soil base and growing a new healthy crops for us. No flowing means no planting, and without any planting there is no harvest and no food. Without food and water we cannot survive on this earth. That's all. Thank you.
The next process is sowing the seed. Students, come here to sow the seed.
चल
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Do you know without sowing there would be no food on our plate. I am Ayushi from standard 7. And today I am super excited to talk how the farming journey began by sowing seed. Sowing means planting seed in soil to grow food. It is the second step in farming and very important. It looks like a small step, but it is very important for our life. Seed must be tested in water before sowing. They should be sown at the right depth and time. Without sowing, we cannot get food. Sowing gives us the food we eat every day. That's all. Thank you for listening this.
The third step is involved planting the trees. Method.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Divyansh Kumar from standard 7. The name of my school is SS Vidyapit Prep School. Today I am going to say some lines about the process of planting. Planting is the process of putting seeds, seedlings or plants into the soil to grow. Types of planting: direct seeding, planting seeds directly into the soil. Transplanting, moving seedlings from one location to another location. Container gardening, planting in pots or containers. Importance of planting: well-being, being around plants can improve mental and physical health. Benefits of planting: food production. Planting crops provide food for humans and other living beings. Environmental benefits: plant takes CO2 and release O2. Erosion control: plant roots hold soils and preventing erosion. Thank you.
Our fourth step is irrigating the fields, यानी खेत में पानी को पटाना। इसके बहुत सारे मेथड्स आते हैं, लेकिन हम यहाँ ड्रिप इरिगेशन मेथड का यूज करेंगे, जिसमें प्लांट के डायरेक्ट रूट पे पानी पटाया जाएगा। Come here.
Good morning, honorable directors of principal teachers and all my dear friends. This is Harith Alam here. I am from the standard 7. The name of my school is SS Vidyapit Prep School. Now I am going to say something about irrigation. Irrigation is a process in which we put water in soil to make it fertile. It is also very important in photosynthesis. When we not put water in the plants, it becomes drought. That's all. Thank you.
Next step is sprinkling the insecticides and pesticides to protect our crops. Students, come here to sprinkle the insecticides and pesticides.
Good morning to all of you. I, Ashwini Kumar Parak, and I am the student of Standard 7 reading SS Vidyapit Prep School. Now I am going to tell you something about what is sprinkling of insecticide and pesticide. My dear friends, this is a process which is done after the irrigation. Or in this process, we sprinkle or spray insecticide and pesticide on the plants. That's all. Thank you.
Our next step is bidding. बिडिंग में हम अपने खेत से अनवांटेड जो जंगल होते हैं उसको निकालते हैं। दिव्यांश, कम हियर। अभी आपके सामने दिव्यांश फसल से जंगलों को निकालते हुए ताकि फसल हेल्दी हो, अच्छा फसल आए, इस प्रोसेस को करते हुए दिव्यांश। बस our next step is harvesting the mature crops. अब जो किसान आएंगे वो फसल को काटेंगे।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ayan. I am student of class 6. The name of my school is SS Vidyapit Prep School. Today I am going to say something on harvesting. The cutting of crops after is mature is called harvesting. The harvesting is mature crops, the closing of ground. Harvesting is the important task. In India, harvesting is done manually, strictly or machine harvesters. That's all. Thank you.
फसल काटने के बाद हम लोग उसे या तो मशीन के द्वारा बाई हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन और मैनुअली एक प्रोसेस है विनोइंग, जिसमें हम लोग अनाज को उसके भूसे से अलग करते हैं। दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज विनोइंग। कम हियर स्टूडेंट।
चलो
1 2 3 1 2 3 एक्शन
Good morning to all of you present here, honorable director, principal and teachers. I am Srishti. Today I want to give you some important information about winnowing. Winnowing is a method used in agriculture and food processing sector. It is process to create unwanted particles from a mixture by the help of fine. Winnowing is the oldest agriculture technique. Winnowing is a oldest agriculture technique. It is an outdoor activity. It helps to improve quality, quantity and variety of the harvest crop. Traditional winnowing process has a positive impact on our environment. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
किसान बहुत सारी मेहनत करने के बाद अपनी फसल को अपने घर तक सुरक्षित ले जाने की तैयारी में है। अब तो हमारा लास्ट प्रोसेस है स्टोरेज द ग्रेन। ग्रेन को कैसे स्टोर करके अपने घर तक ले जाएंगे। अब सारे किसान आएंगे और अपने अपने बोरी में अपने अनाज को लेकर जाएंगे।
सारे उठाओ ना, सारे लोग अपने अपने बोरा